wanna choose. We're going to Grand Prairie today, and we're going to visit Eastlink. Eastlink is a recreation center in Grand Prairie, and hindi pa namin yun napupuntahan. Hindi pa namin yun na-visit. Kasama kasi Choco Mart. Hey, Choco. So, siya daw si Choco Mart. I'm with Kuya Usher and Raphael. So, tara. Mag-dive na tayo sa Eastlink. Grabe mo po. Haba na. Wala na yung bob. Okay, see you later. We're on our way to Eastlink. Here we go. Here we go. Our first time here in Eastlink Center. Eastlink Center pala. Here in Grand Prairie, Alberta. Swim, play, surf, splash, shop, and workout. Shop, run. Marami. Oh, there's an airplane! Raphael found it! Whoa! Raphael!
Saan ang yung airplane?
Hello! So we're now in the Eastlink Center. The entrance. And here, merong food court. And over there, there's a basketball. And there's a fitness center, viewing area, and indoor track. And there is the swimming pool. There. Laki niya. Yun yung mga store. Fresh Jugo, Tito's, Jugo Juice, second cup. Let's go. Let's go. Here comes the family. Let's go. Let's go. Oo nga, big time na rec center. Oh, Jugo Juice. Maraming vending machine. May dinosaur sa loob. Diba?
Lalabas tayo.
Dinosaur. Comes Raphael. Uy, laki naman ng facility nila. Laki ng kanilang recreation center. This is the locker. Yeah. You can use this locker. Okay? We're ready. Find Raphael. Boo! Hello, what are you doing? Okay. Bye. Let's go! Here's the pool! No!
Sorry. Well...
Okay, let's go!
Unfortunately for... What? No!
Aqua Pterosaurus Land. Wow. Ito yung kiddie area. Tapos may hot tub over there. Hot tub. And then there's lap pool here. And then over there is the flow rider. And dito naman ang water slide area. Dito ka lalabas kapag kumamit ka ng water slide with tube. So much fun. You should try. We're now inside the pool area. Whoa, it's a big one. Goes there. In. Puusat ako sa tubig. Oh, may water slide sila dun, oh. Wow! Grabe naman recreation center nila. Ang laki-laki. Ito yung mga pambata. Oh, wow. Oh, si Kuya may baon. May baong baril-barilan.
Well, I'm trying to...
Okay, go. What you gonna say?
Sorry, Hade, that you are gonna going back to yung vehicle mo kasi nga that is my mistaken or my accident of about the that I forgot to bring my red and black water bottle and
Yeah.
mommy's is or daddy's thing ang anong kalimutan naman yan ha. Well, so yeah, so something like sinabi ko sa'yo for you there. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Well, I love you. Love you.
For sure, Daddy will understand. Okay? Yun, nandun pa rin siya. Alam mo, may dinosaur. The dinosaur over there. The snake. Whoa! And there's another dinosaur over there. Whoa! You can see that, Raphael! And there's so many dinosaurs. The dinosaur egg. Another dinosaur here. This one. Wow! Ah, you like it? Going to the hot tub. Oh, may dinosaur doon. Oh. That's Daddy. And there's a dinosaur here. Daming dinosaur. Cute. Pambata. Ay, ang ganda dito. Ang laki ng water park nila. Tapos may snow ride. You know? Pwede ka mag-surf. Oh. Galing, no? Daddy, I think we're gonna try. Go for it! Laki. Kung i-compare ko sa Edmonton Water Park, pwede na dito. Ang binayaran lang namin is 37 kasama na yung locker. Kasama na yung lock ng locker. At may uwi na namin yun. Sayang nakasarado yung slide ng pambata. Enjoy. Hindi yung bata. Ng buhay, oh. Parang labo ng camera ko. Ang buhay niya, Peng!
A few moments later.
The flow ride! Go, Daddy! At sinubukan na nga namin itong flow ride. Good luck sa amin. That's hard. That's not easy. Gonna change. Gotta change his board. Raphael, that's Daddy. Watch out. Oh, umisa pa. Oh, galing niya. Oh. Isasanay na rin yan. Ganda. Oh, nga. How was it? Tumama yung uso mo? Part of the game. No pain, no gain. Oh. For sure. Aral na ni Paeng yan para next time. Pwede na siya. Go! Flow Rider! Go, Kuya Asher! Go! Whoa! Awesome! One more time! Try it again. Okay, it's my turn. Wish me luck. It's my first time, guys. Pagbigyan mo. Okay, not bad for my first time. Let's see on my second try. OMG! Grabe yun. Second try ko kasi halos mahubaran na ako dun. Kaya, ang masasabi ko dyan is dapat naka-rash guard ka kapag upload mo to. Upload ka mag-short. Kasi makukubo. Ha? Wow! Truly, masaya tong sports na to. Nakakatuwa siyang aralin. Pero, ang dami. Ang dami rin namin bagsak. Okay lang. That's where we learn, right? For short, try namin to ulit. Hopefully, hindi kami ma-injure. For sure, babalik kami dito. Love ko na itong East Lake Center. Nga pala, sinabihan ako bawal umupo sa surfboard. So, don't do that.
Is it my turn?
Sorry, my Raphael. Hindi ka pa pwede sa surfboard. At maliit ka pa.
Raphael! Can I go there? No, we're done.
One eternity later.
At tapos na kami maligo. Ngayon ang mga bata ay naglalaro. Ang ganda ng recreation center nila. Sobra. Nakakaingat. Pwede na kami lumipat dito. Kasi daddy nag-basketball. We're there. I think tapos na siya. And that's it for our trip to Eastlink Aqua Center. Sa Aqua Center. Yan, pauwi na kami. Hindi pa. Punta pa kami home hardware and Costco. That's it for today. See you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Let's go. Bye.